If you're spending hours crafting proposals and making custom packages and still getting a no, there is a better way. Website redesigns flip that dynamic. They see a finished site, they say yes. No imagination required. And now AI builds the entire thing from one prompt. In this video, I'll show you the exact message structure and how the offer works start to finish, and have AI do all of it for you. Check this out. So I'm just gonna get right into it. So this is just a random business that I got online. Here's their website. It's not the best, but what I've done is I've redesigned it in minutes using a vibe coder, and it's way better. It's way cleaner. And I can literally do this if I am a complete beginner. Yes, and all we had to do is put this in a vibe coder and it rebuilt the entire thing in seconds. Now in this video, like I said before, I'm gonna go over how to redesigns, but more importantly, how to go to Google, how to find the businesses, how to qualify them, and then sell them, okay, on a website redesign for up to $1,500 plus a monthly recurring fee for the AI. So we're gonna be going over all of this in this video, okay? So how to build it, and most importantly, how to sell this to potentially make actual money. Let's get into it. So step number one is going on Google and finding the right leads. And guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use AI to qualify the leads. And we'll get into what I'm using here in a sec. Also, at any point during this video, if you have any questions, drop them down below so I can legitimately answer and we can both learn. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to do something as simple as HVAC in, let's do Tucson. We're going to click this. And we have all these leads. We are then going to click maps. You want to follow this very closely. Guys, I'm giving you all the sauce for free. So right in here, what we're going to do is, because we see all these leads, we're like, ooh, look at this. Look how amazing this is. We're going to come right up top and we're going to copy all of these leads all the way down. We're going to click copy. We're then going to come to this exact AI feature. Don't worry, I'm going to get into this in a second. Don't worry, I don't have some outdated course or some high-ticket coaching to sell you. I'm just going to show you a quick and easy way for us to qualify these leads. So when we come in, what we would normally do in the past is we would come to every single one of these websites that we just copy and paste. We'd click it, we check it, we click it, check it, and we would be looking for a couple different things. So I'm talking like a bad design, it's too long to read, no contact forms, broken links, 404 errors, slow loading, doesn't work on mobile. We'd have to go through and manually look at all of this stuff. But with this new AI feature I'm about to show you, we don't have to do any of that. All we have to do is tell it to qualify it, okay? And it will do so and just give us the best leads. So literally just like this, we're gonna say, please only give me ones that have really bad websites. Because we're not going after people that don't have websites. That's a different video. It's not like we're selling websites from scratch. I have another video on that. If you're interested, drop a comment down below. We're going to be going after people that have existing, but upgrading them. So we go, please only give me the ones that have really bad websites, i.e. bad SEO, poor layout, ECT. Then we're just going to click enter, and it's going to go through all of these leads and only give us the ones that follow the criteria we want. Check this out. And as you see right here, it is going through all of these key details, talking about built on GoDaddy, Wix. I mean, guys, this is advanced AI. I have not seen anything like this. Guys, and I'm going to show you in a little bit how to get this exact software for free for 30 days so you can try it out, because it is mind-blowingly powerful. Boom, look at this. It goes through and it breaks down everything. Weak website, poor SEO, top prospect. I mean, it qualifies it so in depth. AI is searching and checking and going through all this stuff. And what's cool, guys, is we're not using sketchy scraper tools. We're not, taking people's data. We're just copying and pasting and AI is checking. It's as simple as that. Always check your compliance laws, though. I always have that in every video, disclaimer. But look at this, 7 good qualified leads. So now that we have this, okay, and we're like, okay, this is awesome. We now need to move on to the next step because we have our leads. Okay, we have our leads off of Google, but we now need to go a step further because they're qualified leads now because we go, okay, these are the people that need our services. Again, this is advanced pro tip. You can't sell to people that don't, need your services. We now need to go over the next part, which is redesigning their website, then using the sales script to reach out to them to give it to them. We're covering everything in this video, so seriously, stay locked in. If you have any questions too, drop them in the comments so I can answer personally. I want this to be an interactive learning experience. So this is supposedly the main offender here. So we're going to do these guys. This is strictly just for educational purposes, but we're going to copy this and we're going to check it out. So here's their website, okay? Yeah, it definitely needs some help. So as you see here, this AI tool is doing a really good job of qualifying. Like this needs help. But that's what I love about this is it's going through and it is actually doing the work for us. It's not just, hallucinating and giving us a website that's good. This needs help. Like this needs help. First, I want to show you how we do this. And the way we redesign this is by using this vibe coder with this AI prompt. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this AI prompt, which I'm going to give you for free also in this video. We come right in here, we paste it, and all we do is we plug in a couple of these things. So right in here, we just copy this exact URL. Sometimes this is all they have, so that's really all we can put. We're gonna do services because they have a service page as well. We're gonna copy that, and we're just gonna put that in right here. And that's all really they have, and it's gonna know what to do. So then all we're gonna do is click enter. That's it. And this exact vibe coder is going to redo this website in seconds. Check this out. And look at that. In minutes, we redesigned this entire website to look like this. So we went from this to this in seconds using a prompt. You saw what it did. We plugged the URL in, and in seconds it built this. Local businesses will be willing to pay good money for this because there is such a lack of good websites out there. And this is just a quick pro tip before I go any further, is that there's a whole new industry opened up of like taking businesses that already had online presence and making them better. See, before it was like you had to find the people mostly that didn't have this already, but because there's so many people outdated, you can just go in and start upgrading everyone's shit. Huge opportunity. Now, I want to let you know if you want access to this exact prompt and all of this amazing stuff like these AI features, this is a software called Go High Level. Now, don't freak out. I'm not going to do some weird sales pitch. I've actually talked to the Go High Level team, and they normally give you a 14-day free trial, but I've talked to them, and they're actually going to give you a 30-day free trial right down below. Now, the software is not expensive regardless, so it doesn't even matter after, but even if you are strapped for cash, you can try it for 30 days, and if you don't like it, you can cancel. That way you can get access to all this stuff I'm showing you, rebuild websites, and potentially make some money with it. Because I'm giving you all of the sauce for free on here, so you get it. But on top of that, I want to give you something special, and that is access to my entire private community for free when you use the software under me. You do not have to pay me a penny if you are using the software under me. Now, as you've seen here, it's a community full of winners. We have every training you could possibly need. We have systems pre-built out, sales scripts, AI prompts, tons more of these. I mean, it's like everything you could possibly need in one place. But most importantly, okay, we have 7 live coaching calls you can attend for free every single day of the week. And this is so powerful because in most courses and most make money online people, you have to pay thousands of dollars to get in. But with this, it's free. So if you want to come talk to me, we have calls where it's me. We have calls with help getting clients. We have calls with helping with sales. We have calls how to get clients advanced, which is like running ads. You can learn Go High Level, help with Go High Level, set up Go High Level systems. On top of all that, High Level has 24/7 support. Yes, I mean, it's the most support you're ever going to get. And you can message me whenever you want in the upper right-hand corner. Guys, no one is doing this online. Nobody. And if you don't believe me, just click the link down below and look at the testimonials we have. I'm being so serious. No one does it. I do it. And I'm not saying this to brag. I'm saying this because I'm giving you everything for free when you use High Level under me. Serious. And I give you the 30-day option. So if you get High Level for 30 days, you don't like it, and you're like, yo, this guy in a robe is an idiot. 0 risk, cancel. I still love you, and I still want you to win. Try to find that anywhere else online. You're not going to. So again, if this interests you and you want access to all of this and you just want to try it, which I recommend you do because it's a 30-day free trial, go down below, click the link. You'll get emailed access to my community and the software, and we can really start this journey and go through. Again, there's no guarantees, but if you're willing to work hard, we can make some magical things happen. Also, you get all of the hand-holding you could possibly need. So if you want all this, go right down below, click that 30-day free trial, and get started. So now that we understand that, we now need to move in to the next part, which is going through, okay, and reaching out to the business to give them this exact website redesign. And we use this by using this amazing sales script that I'm also giving you for free. So this is the script you're going to be using to get these businesses in once we have redesigned their site. Now, this is a really important part where you have to pay close attention because, again, I'm showing you everything, but you have to actually do this part, which is the reaching out side of things. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to reach out using this exact script. Number 1, you can just directly call the business. Yes, get their number and say, hey, I got a website to redesign for you, yada, yada, yada. Number 2, you can send them an email. Number 3, you can go on a contact form on their website and submit it, try to get a hold of them. Number 4, you can go into social media, DM them or DM the founders. You got LinkedIn and a bunch of other stuff, which which can be really powerful. You can send a direct piece of mail, like an envelope to their business, or you can send them a text message. Always follow compliance laws. But these are basically a bunch of ways you are going to reach out to the business once you have their website redesigned. That way you can give them what they need. That's how this entire process works. Once you have it, you then reach out to give it to them. That's the whole name of the game. And again, as I said before, you can sell this anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 if you want. It can be whatever you want it to be. If you're a complete beginner and you're reaching out for the first time and you're like, I do not feel comfortable charging money for this, there is nothing wrong with doing it for free. I actually recommend you do this for free, then collect recurring money after, which is what I'm going to go into in a sec, which is like the AI agents and stuff that they can pay you monthly for. I always tell people, if you're completely new to the game, it's smart to work for free because A, you get experience, but B, you build goodwill, get testimonials, and more importantly, they'll just buy more stuff if you do a good job. Again, all of this is hinging on you doing a good job. So this is essentially the ways you're going to be reaching out once you have it. And again, if you have questions on any of this, drop a comment down below. I can send you videos and free resources and a bunch of other amazing goodies with this. So once you have your website redesigned and you've rebuilt their website and you got all the leads you want, we now want to move into the upsell side of things, which is basically making their website better. So as you see here, we can, inside of Go High Level, add contact forms. Okay, we can add a bunch of integrated calendars so it can, replace their Calendly subscription. We can add all kinds of review widgets to boost their SEO and stuff. And we can add AI chatbots and all kinds of other really cool features like AI voice agents, ones that can talk to you on the phone, into their website. And why this is so cool is we can legitimately build out an entire platform where their business rests, and then you can literally collect checks month after month for doing so. That is the whole point of this, guys. The monthly recurring revenue, the checks that come in every single month, that's how you're going to grow predictably. Trust me, that's the name of the game in the online world. Because if you build that, you don't have to just say, oh, 1 month I did good, 1 month I did bad. No, you do fine because every month you stack more of those and it's a slow grind up. Okay, I'm just telling you, this is the best kind of online money, is the recurring online money. And again, all of these features can be tacked on inside of Go High Level. And I have a lot of videos on this. A lot. And don't worry if you're confused at all on this. Obviously, the community, we go over a lot of this, but I have tons of videos on this. And if you ever have questions, just drop down below and I'll send you the tutorials because we cover everything. How to sell AI chatbots to local businesses, how to sell AI voice agents to local businesses, how to set up review widgets, how to set up calendars. We literally have every single thing on this YouTube channel and you can get all of it for free. So again, just let me know what questions you have, whether you love the video, hate the video, and I'll take care of you. It's all pretty simple, but that's pretty much it, guys. So quick recap. Okay, you're going to go online. You're going to find the businesses. You're then going to qualify the businesses. You're then going to reach out to the businesses, redesign their website, and then make sure you get them on that recurring subscription. Actually, what I'm going to do at the end of this video is I'm just going to link a video that goes over what you get in the community so you can actually see a little more of how you can get help. Because I think that's going to show you, okay, if I'm a beginner, I come in and I need hand-holding, you can get it for free in the community. And again, that video is going to pop up at the end of this one, but that way it'll kind of guide you through that. So thanks again for watching, guys. Questions, drop them down below. If you're interested in the community, go down below, get that 30-day free trial, and you'll be good to go. Most importantly, watch the video that pops up right now because it could change everything for you. Watch the video.